2, 1.
What's up, guys?
What are you doing for 4th of July?
Oh, just lighting it up. Celebrating 250 years of freedom. God bless America. Jeez, we're gonna light up 2, 3, and another 2 down there, so get ready, y'all.
Wow.
Oh yeah, we got the double edged.
What, don't you need the lighter?
Oh no, I do this. Don't worry.
Wow. There goes 2.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's get to the
You can hear all these car alarms go off.
Let's see. Oh yeah, we got them all twisted together. We got the neighbors watching. We're not playing with them. Oop. That might get it. Okay,
Put the
if
fire
not,
on there. Just put the fire on there.
let me put a little extra.
Wow. Look, that car is going off behind you. This is very, very loud. Oh, you got 3 more right
We
here.
got it going on. We got 3 more coming at ya. Yeah, ready?
Wow. You're the best firework lady ever.
Thank you very much, America.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.